In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add project in LinkedIn profile. If you want to showcase work you've completed, highlight hands-on experience, or make your profile more impressive to recruiters and connections, adding a project section on LinkedIn is a great way to do it. It helps give more context to your skills and shows the kind of results or work you've been involved in. To get started, open LinkedIn and go directly to your profile page. This is the main area where you can edit your professional information, including your experience, education, skills, and featured accomplishments. Once you're on your profile, look for the option that says Add Section. This button lets you expand your profile with new categories. So if you've never added a project before, this is where you'll begin. After clicking Add Section, a menu will appear with different profile section options. From here, click on Recommended. LinkedIn groups profile additions into categories, and the project option is located inside this recommended area. Once you open that section, choose Add Projects. This will open the project entry form where you can provide the key details about the work you want to highlight. Now, in the project name field, type the name of your project. Make sure the title is clear and specific so people viewing your profile can quickly understand what the project was. A straightforward and professional name usually works best. Next, enter the description of your project. This is where you can briefly explain what the project involved, what your role was, and what outcome or impact it had. Try to keep the description concise but informative. The goal is to help someone scanning your profile understand why this project matters and what it says about your abilities. Once you've entered the project name and description, take a quick moment to review everything for spelling, clarity, and completeness. A polished entry can make a much stronger impression than a rushed one. When everything looks good, click Save. Your project will then be added to your LinkedIn profile, making it visible as part of your professional background. That's all it takes to add a project to LinkedIn. It's a simple update, but it can make your profile much stronger by giving real examples of your work. If you're building your professional presence online, this is definitely a section worth keeping updated.